Okay, so today is the 2nd of February, Monday. We are going through practice set 1, 2, 3. Alright, if your answer is slightly different, don't worry, it's fine. You can ask me, I'll come and check with you. Okay, now for 5, okay, A, C, and E. Apologies, the documents are in the order. A, C, and E. Any questions so far? Anyone wrong at any part? Javier, stop it. Javier, I'm recording this, by the way. Later your parents will see. I'll purposely send to your parents. Yeah. Okay, 5B. This is 5B. Is this okay? Okay, you may need some time. I will wait a while. Zihan, okay? Any part? You can't express it. You can. You're talking about 5A, is it? Yes. Okay, so 5A, I believe this or this is fine. Either this is fine. Both okay. Okay, we call this the radical form. You call this index form. Okay? Can Then E and B. This is 5E and 5B. This is 5A. Question 2. Okay, cannot. Joshua, where are you? Joshua, okay? Okay. Sit in your groups, sit in your groups. Okay. Then I go down. Slowly, I'm going down, Any violent objection? Question 3. This is 3C. Please take a look, 3C. Question 3F. Question 6A. I hope you are fine. Yeah. Yes, sorry. Yes, it's fine. They're talking about 3C, right? Yes, correct. Unless they ask for a positive notation. This is okay. This is also okay. So sometimes if the exam, if they want it one simplified form, they will tell you. I want one fraction in the form of ax squared plus b squared. If not, this is okay. This is okay. But if you recall, because now you have done chapter 2, right? Usually living like this is better. Because you can do equating, you can equate to 0. Equating this versus equating this to 0, this is easier. Okay. Yes, same. In fact, if you ask me, I personally prefer to always put in one fraction, like you, simply because of longer term benefits. Okay, question 11. P equals to -7, Q equals to 10. Any issue? Any issue? 6A, 6A, sorry. 6A, sorry. 6A, The answer, what can we? Oh, what's the answer, 4x plus 1. 4x plus 1. You got 2, Joshua? Got 2, You got it. 5A. 5A answer, this one. You can either write the first or the second. Both are acceptable. Okay, man. Okay. You okay? You okay? Okay. 5A, 5B, 6A. Any issue? Okay, 11. I realize I highlight are not very good. Okay. Let me just highlight the bottom. P equals -7, Q equals to 10. Is it okay? Okay. Help me to mark 11 part 2. -3 and 4. No issue, Any issue for 11? Any issue? Do you need a tissue? Okay, go ahead. Correction, do the full working, Do the full working. Yeah. Up. 11I. Go through? No need. Ethan Yo, okay? Can I go up, scroll up, okay. Question, practice set 2. I see again. Up to, you must equate T1 to 0. This one, right? This is not the same as this. Okay, you look at 5B. Where? 5B, Sorry. You cannot differentiate. You must put it as a sum before you differentiate. Okay, ma? So it must be a sum or product. So you expand inside, then you differentiate. Okay, no? Can so you multiply this to this. Or simply put, okay. So you see, this one, right? You write it this way. See, can I say this is the same as this? Can I say this is the same as this? Can or not? Can I?
Yeah.
Can I say this is the same as this? If I cancel, I have 3. If I cancel, I'm left with 3x. If I cancel this, x power half, right? X power half, x power 1, right? This is half, x power negative half. Cancel, this is x power negative 1. Is this okay?
Yeah.
So what I'm doing is I'm putting it in index form. Okay? Differentiation integration, I always try to put it in index form. After which, you differentiate. Okay, then you differentiate. Sorry. After that, you differentiate this. 1/4 x to the power minus 3 over 2. Negative x to the power negative 2. Remember the mantra, power go in front, power drop by 1. Power go in front, power drop by 1. If I kick a bottle, I'm so sorry. I'm a little fat. Practice set 2. May I go to practice set 2? Okay. Can I? Practice set 2. 6x plus 3 power 5. Should be easy. So this is practice set 2, if you recall, is about chain rule. Practice set 1 is just power rule. Or chain rule. If your answer is in a slightly different structure, example is negative index, example is not a fraction, that is okay. Okay, unless the question says, yes, you can. Expand. Like, how? Power 5. Let me see. Okay, so Pius is asking whether he can do this. What do you think? Yes, I want to see bracket. Can I want to see bracket? So you see, I want to see a bracket here. I want to see bracket. Okay, otherwise it can be confusing. Can I? Xavier, Jun Kai, why are you all seated together? Are you in the same group? So why are you all sitting side by side? Is Joshua and Sitong in the same group? No, go back to your group. No. Two of you are just too disruptive. Yeah. You two are like the uncle at the... Then don't change place in the future without letting me know. Can I? You all keep talking. Not very good. You're not even talking about math stuff. Some lame uncle jokes. Okay, so 3C. 1E. Is it okay? Joshua, you can ask Javier. Javier is a good teacher. Javier is my type. Javier is the father, tough love. He scold you, but he guide you. Sitong is the mother. Sitong is motherly love. Mitra, you call me stupid. Mitra call me stupid. Okay, ready? Question 2. 2A. 2A. 7 part 1. 7 part 2. Everything so far okay. Is it cause it's too easy? Or is it cause you all too shy to ask? If you all too shy to ask, you all must ask, you know. Very good, okay. Don't be shy. If you cannot, you must ask. Hey, who's this? Yes. Track with you. There's a lizard. Chloe scared of lizard? No. You more brave than your mother. Okay. Okay. Can okay, go on Any other? Yes.
Right hand side goes left hand side.
That is fine as well. Yeah, I think that's easier. Okay, so 7 part 1, just to show you, Chiam did from right hand side to left hand side. This is beautiful as well. Okay? Yeah. In fact, I think easier. This is easier. Okay? Can I? Go on right to left. Javier, come on. You see here. You see, far away. I couldn't help but hear. Your conversation was so exciting, I couldn't help but eavesdrop. See here, you see beside Tuan. Sitong? Oh, okay. Then you help. Okay. Then you help. Question 13. Javier, you like those birds in the morning. The birds back. Then I thought. Okay. Question 13. Anyone need me to go through? Anyone that left the question blank and need me to go through? Sure? Nobody left the question blank? No one? No one want me to go through? Don't be shy. Question 13 Yes, okay. So question 13 Can Sure, nobody want me to go through? Nobody left it blank? Okay. Ask. Okay, must ask, okay. Can Okay, question 13. Just check Question 13. Anyway, it will be recorded. Okay, I'm recording this lesson. Okay, can Okay, so if I'm doing very simple. Like all questions, I will always ask that you put it. Joshua, pay attention. Stop looking at girls outside. That's even worse. Okay, so here, this is y, right? You write it in this format. X squared plus 3 to the power of negative half. Okay, our first duty is we have to find what's dy dx now. Okay, now what's dy dx? Then dy dx, you see two layers, right? Power outside, power inside. Power go in front. Differentiate the inside. X squared plus 3 is 2x. Copy and paste what you see inside. This is x squared plus 3. Okay. Now, of course, I'll take this. I'll start with the left hand side. X squared plus 3 multiplied by dy dx. Look at how I'm just literally copying the entire this portion. Right? I'm just copying this. Okay. Okay, this is my dy dx. Oh guys, can you all see? This is my dy dx. Huh? This is my dy dx. Okay, now I plus xy. What is xy? Y is again 1 over square root x squared plus 3. Okay, Ethan, still with me? Huh? Then I slowly cancel. This is 2, this is negative half. They cancel each other. I have negative x. Now you see here, this is power 1. This is power 1. This is power negative 3 over 2. Right? So what is 1 minus 3 over 2, Joshua? What is 1 minus 3 over 2? What is 1 minus 3 over 2? What is 1 minus 3 over 2? Negative half. You say the wrong things with so much confidence. I almost believe you. Okay, can I? Then the right hand side you can also see is x. What is this? Also x squared plus 3 to the power minus half. What do you get? 0. Agree? Correct? Can you see they're just the same of each other? One is negative, one is positive. They are the same. Okay? X squared square root, this is negative half, which is why I get the answer 0. So far so good? Sing okay? Are you okay? You cry? Girlfriend left you? Boyfriend? Okay. Next. Bias left you. Okay. Can I? Javier with me? Can I know you are fast, but be patient. I'll be patient. Okay, can I? Feel free to help other people. Javier, stop looking at which one. Look at the screen. Okay. Practice set 3. Can I go on? Okay, 3x plus 2, 9x plus 2. You don't have to expand. If you don't expand, you will get something like 18x squared plus 24x plus 4, I believe. This is also acceptable. This is acceptable as well. 27? 18 plus 6. Oh, thank you. Love you. What about this? This can also be written as 3x squared minus 10x plus 3, I believe. Okay? Okay. Lisa, pay attention. So you try your best. Okay, if you look at the question, right? They did not specify the format of the answer, which means that different formats are acceptable. Usually if the exam, they will say, oh, put it in the form of ax plus b, put it in the form of a fraction. That is okay. Stop touching each other. Okay, so this is E. Is it okay? Any part you're not comfortable, you didn't get it correct, you're not sure if your answer is right, what should you think? Do you self-mark?
I don't have green pen.
Then what must you do?
Pencil.
Okay, or go and borrow a red pen and mark. Go and borrow a green pen. Javier, you talk so much but you know green pen. Go and borrow a green pen. Go and borrow a green pen. Okay, go and buy one. Yes.
Buy one now.
Huh? 1A. 1A? You say 1A? 1A, huh? Here. What's wrong with this one? Oh. Know how to do. 1A. Okay. 1A. What? 1A is fine. So 1A you do product rule. Okay, 1A. Keep quiet, Joshua. Wait, give me a second. 1A. So 1A, right? Okay, very simple. You write U, you write this as V. Okay? Can I? Now if U is equals to X, V is equals to 3X plus 2 squared. What's du dx? Du dx is 1. Then when you're doing dv dx, you notice that you need to do chain rule, right? Power go in front, power drop by 1. 2 layers. Just like peeling an onion, right? When you differentiate the blue color, this is what you get. When you differentiate the brown color, this is what you get. Eaten so far, okay? Can Okay, then after that I copy paste what's inside. Cross multiply du dx times v plus dv dx times u times u. Okay? With that, yeah, you can see that I'm going to factorize 3x plus 2. Both of them have a 3x plus 2 that I can factorize. I have 3x plus 2 factorized out. Inside I have a 3x plus 2 plus 6x. Okay? Which gives me 3x plus 2 factorized multiplied by 9x plus 2. Is that okay? Okay. If you say yes, I give you Joshua wallet. Wrong one.
Oh, that's serious.
That's serious.
I'll look at the money inside.
Okay. Can
What is $300?
Shh, they were looking at wallet. Okay, question 2A. Quiet. 2A. I'm trying to see all your expression. Whether you are 2A not good. 2A not good. 2E. E for echo. 2E not good. Okay. So maybe for 2E, let me go through slowly with you. Okay, 2E, let me go through. Okay, so same thing. It's just like cooking. Before I cook, right? Hey, by the way, last week I went to Bangkok. I got a cooking class, quite interesting one. So we really okay. So what you do is you lay out U and V separately. Okay, or like what I always do, Then you do du dx, dv dx. Okay? Can these are the principles. So number 1, you lay out EV, okay, lay out U and V. Don't be shy. If you do not know, you ask. Okay, I'll record this down. So U is x plus 2 power half. I'm going through question 2E, by the way, of practice set 3. In case you didn't catch. Can I say that this is x to the power of 3 over 2 plus 1? Cannot, because this is power 1, this is power half. Okay. Now just differentiate. Some people write dv dx. Now, guys, if you are professional, you can even write v prime. Alright? It's pretty cool. You write that, people will know that this guy knows how to do math. Right? He's a cool guy. 3 over 2x, power half. Plus 1? Plus 1, right? Okay, no one notices. Okay, du dx equals to u prime half x plus 2 to the power negative half. Is that correct? Yes, What about this? Is this correct? Yes, No, why not? Yes, very good. Differentiate 1 is 0. Only the $300 man is paying attention. Okay, love you, Javier. So u times dv dx, v times du dx. Okay, can now you multiply, cross multiply u times dv dx plus v times du dx. Is that okay? Is that okay? Can so I write down again. U and v prime plus v times u prime. Okay? The one in blue is the format. Now, what I'll do now is I will do a small trick. The square root over square root trick. Okay, Okay, so now you notice I want to bring to your attention, do you see that this is a half and this is a negative half? They are quite similar. If you want to so-called sanitize the whole question very quickly, I'll write it this way. I'll write this entire as like a 2 square root x plus 2. Is it okay? Can I say that this is the same as x plus 2 over square root x plus 2? Okay, basically I'm just multiplying square root over square root. Now, okay, so you see, I have square root, I have a 2, I have a square root. Hey, bro, you and me same denominator already. Let's get married, alright? So, Xavier and 2 and square root x plus 2 over here, x plus 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by x power half. All I'm doing is I'm bringing all my friends who were all over Singapore together. Right? All of them got married. Can I see? Can we try? Then, on my right, I bring x302 plus 1. And that's about it. These are all the friends I have. Looks like I'm alone. Is that okay? Those who ask. Help me to ask. If you don't know, you ask. Because I'm recording, I also want it to be useful to you. If not, later you all don't watch. Okay. So this is the same as 3x, 3 over 2. This is the same as 6x power half plus x 3 over 2 plus 1. So then this and this comes together. What is 3 plus 1, Joshua? 4. 4x 3 over 2 plus 6x power half plus 1 over 2 square root x plus 2. Is it okay? Practice set 3, question 2e. Not okay. Not okay. Which part is not okay? You don't know where you went wrong. Don't say that. That's too harsh. Okay. Okay, don't worry. Okay, let's take a look. Where is it? 2E. What, ACS ACJC? Have you okay, so you differentiated. Seems correct, eh? Yeah, I think this is correct. We just need to simplify this. This is correct. From here I check and it's correct. Yeah, okay. Such a small. Okay. May I go on? May I go on? Question 2a. If you are not sure whether your answer is correct, you take this answer, you go and expand, see if it's the same as yours. Okay, or term by term it should be the same, right? I say again, if you are not sure, if the answer on the board is correct, take that answer, expand, see if it's the same as yours. Okay? Sorry. Yeah, fine. Okay. 2C and 4, question 4. If you never do, you must ask, you must try to do by yourself, don't copy.
All wrong.
Huh? Then do again, don't copy. Keep. Anyone start any question? Yeah, Chu Kai? Question 4. We're looking at question 4. Yeah, good idea. Only you need to expand, that's all. Just need to simplify this. So, this one will become power 1. Power 1 instead of power minus 1. Okay, so you want me to help you? Shall I take a photo, show you? I'm happy to just digest your answer is correct. Yeah. You take bio? Yeah, you just need to have the right digestive juices. Yeah. What is it called? What fructose for no, amylase. Okay, so now you see, okay, you do the square root over square root 3. Most of the time, you will, okay, I try, okay, how you set up is very important. Right now, just like you run a race, if you fall over the first hurdle, likelihood everything else may go haywire. So I try to start correct. When you put third and you put -1, it will confuse. One is radical, one is index. So what I do is I put everything in index or I put everything in third. Okay? Now, if you look at your question is, what's the question again? X square root 5 minus x squared. Okay, so you see, if it's x square root 5 minus x squared, u is x, v is 5 minus x squared, power half. Javier, Isaac, stop talking about other things. Can or not? This is my last time, Javier. Can you don't talk about other things, please? This is my third time telling you already. Or, can or not? One more time, I will take your $300, I will go and give everyone to buy bubble tea. Okay? Promise? Can you guys, you all heard me, If one more time Javier is talking about other things with other people, he will take his $300 and treat everyone bubble tea. Okay? Can Come again? Hey, what do you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? At home, Then what do you do? Were you playing games or did you game? More or less, football. Was it related to math? Oh, you talk about other things with other people. Thanks, guys. I caught you. Okay, u prime is 1. So v prime, okay, so you see, power go in front, power drop by 1. Then you differentiate inside negative first. Okay, so this is how I write it. You see the way I write and the way you write a bit different. Okay? No, yours is not wrong. It's just that I write it in the way I sanitize it so it's easy to understand. Okay, I write it in index form. So if I were to write yours differently, this is how I will write Eleni's answer. I'll write it this way. Either something like that. Cancel. 2x squared. Okay? No, this is power half, positive half. This is negative half, for example. Okay, how? Now very simple. You take this, right? This is the same as 5 minus x squared over square root 5 minus x squared. Because power half, right, is the same as power 1 over power half. This is a common trick that I do. Okay, common trick that I do. Can After that, hey, best friend. Your necklace. Take away your necklace. Horrible. Okay. This is 2x squared, square root 5 minus x squared. From here, can you see? They are same denominator. So they can get married. Can Yes. No. How was your day today? What did you do this morning? Okay. Can Okay. Ready, Alice, okay? I go on, I show you this one. I show you the actual working how. Question 4. Junkai, don't talk about other things. Joshua, don't talk about things. Okay. I'm not going through boring but you all try now. Other people. Question 3, thanks. Okay, this one 3A. 3A, Okay. You can see yourself, Okay. Just try to split U and V. This is textbook answer. So textbook is more, it's not reader friendly, Okay, it's generally U and B at that. Okay. So okay. Yeah. 2C. 2C. Wait, 1 second. Here. You can bring back to Malaysia and say this is my math teacher. You're going where? Penang. KL. Where is it? Forgot. Sabah. Sarawak. You're from Sarawak. I went there before. Sarawak is the headhunter. The Iban. Yeah, I went there. I did OBS 3 weeks at Sarawak last time. During my time, there was a lot of you can go OBS for a very long time. So I went OBS Sarawak 3 weeks. This camp per mile. There's OBS Sabah. Sabah also I went. We climbed Kinabalu. There are many OBS in the world, you know. There's even OBS Taiwan, OBS Australia. When you're older, can go. Last time I go overseas for competition, I do this. Then after I lose already, right? Okay. 2C, question 4. Don't just copy that, you need to understand. You need to understand the rationale, why we do things in a certain way. Okay, like why do we always put square root over square root? How do we take out power negative half and power positive half? Okay, can I go on? I don't see anyone looking at the screen and okay, some are. Please let me know if you need any particular question. I will stop for a while. We know, okay, which question? Okay. Just careless lah. Okay. Okay, don't worry. Okay. It's okay. Which one? 3A. I go through? Or just copy or do? Okay. 3A basically, right, you combine one of them into one. Because there are 3 terms, right? But if I want to use product rule, right, let's say you agree with me, I will need 2 terms, U and V. Okay, so that's why I will choose to combine these together to make it U. Then I leave this as V. That'll be easier. Right? Rather than combining this with this, that'll be hard. Because they're not even the same power. Got it? Okay. In case that bothers you, what I'm saying is, listen, I write it this way. I write U as x plus 1 over x, which is the same as 1 plus 1 over x. B is x plus 2 power 3. Okay? Okay. You look like your Wi-Fi downloading, so I'm trying to see whether you know. Okay, can I? Okay. Can I? Can? Okay. Okay, next. Anyone? Ethan To? Isaac? Joshua? Any question that you cannot do? All can. Ariel? Zihan? Zoe? Chunling? Mitra? Natarajan? Megan? Tan? Dorcas Chiang? Okay. You're ignoring me, so I hope it's a good sign. Yeah. Okay. Question 10. Question 10 is the last. Question 12 is the last one. Question 10. Question 10 answer is 3 and 7. 3 and negative 7, sorry. 3 and negative 7. Is it not? Do you not get the same? You all get 3 and negative 7? Oh, Okay, because you here 0. Maybe because you divided by x, right? You miss out 0. Anyone miss out the value 3? Because you divided by 0, maybe you divided. Okay, one more time, you. Huh? Nothing. Nothing. Your has come back also nothing. Okay. 0 and 3, 0 and 3. Okay, anyone miss out the answer 3? Now remember, you cannot divide by 0x, You have to factorize out x because x can be 0. You cannot divide by 0. Common mistakes, I think 04 also, they divided by x. Okay, Can, No one is looking at the screen. I assume all are okay. Look here. Don't look at the outside. Which one? Stop looking at boys. Okay. Question 12. Question 12, any issue? Gradient is 1. Yes.
The part, question 10, right? When they say x equals
Question 10, when they say x equals to 8, square root 8 plus
then why when you sub is not square root 8 minus 8?
I sub square root 8 and negative square root 8, but because I'm subbing x squared. Because it's x squared. And that's why both give you the same. Can? Number is fine. Yes. No, so I basically factorize out x. Can you see? I factorize out x. Right? You factorize out x. Now when you factorize out x, x is outside. But what is inside is 9 minus x squared. 9 minus x squared minus 1. Right? So this is one equation. So you solve another equation. Correct? Deal or no deal? Deal, Okay. Then after that, so you see, we solve the left hand side. X equals to 0 gives you an answer. This also gives you another answer. Okay? 10, Isabel? Joshua, okay. Okay. Don't drink here lah. Of all people, you drink in front of me. I also don't know what to say. Foolish criminal. Wait. Sorry. So then you put 9 minus x squared equals to 1, right? Come over, swap place, equals to 8, plus minus square root 8. Okay, x equals to, so you are at this step now. After that, sub in square root 8, 0 and negative square root 8. Okay? Can 3 and negative 7. Can? Okay, good. Question 12. X equals to 1. A equals to, gradient is 1. Can No, hold tight. Don't move, hold tight. Okay, ready? Can all good? If no question, confirm I will stop the recording here.